Most grills are built to cook. This was built to command fire. This is my 60-inch version. 60 inches of live fire control. Argentine sole, American steel. Fire brick lined, dual level adjustable grates, chrome crank wheel. Built by hand, built to last. This doesn't start in a warehouse. This starts with raw steel. Heat, sparks, weight, and precision. Every cut matters, every weld matters, because live fire exposes everything. There's nowhere to hide behind flame. This is the part nobody sees. Hours behind the hood, grinding, fitting, reworking, dialing everything in by hand. Not mass-produced, not stamped out, not imported by the container. Built one piece at a time. The details matter. The crank, the movement, the balance, the feel of the wheel in your hand, because tools built for fire should feel mechanical, solid, purpose-built. Steel turns into structure, structure turns into function, and function becomes experience. This is where fabrication meets cooking. This is what Santa Maria cooking is supposed to feel like. Wood smoke, rendered fat hitting coals, live embers, real heat control, hanging ribeye, cherry wood, sweet potatoes in the fire, vegetables blistering over open flame. Cooking slows down, people gather, fire becomes the center of everything. This is more than a grill. It's a live fire system built around control, designed by a chef, fabricated in American steel, rooted in Argentine asado tradition. This is the SM60 by Own the Fire. Command the flame, rule the craft, own the fire.